Hey everyone, I am Norman, and PolyWatch is an absolute game changer if you have watches with acrylic crystals. PolyWatch is absolutely amazing. It took me a while to get it, I don't know why, but just the other day I was wearing my pull router and inadvertently bumped it against my car, and it put a scratch right on the edge of that beautiful box crystal. So when I got home, I dug out the PolyWatch, and in a matter of a couple minutes, you couldn't even tell that it had been scratched there. Of course, later that same day, I did it again, this time in the middle of the crystal. And again, I got out PolyWatch, and in a matter of minutes, that scuff was completely gone. So I have an old Lightronics watch, and I've been meaning to take care of its crystal for a long time. If you see in the clip that I have here, there's sort of like a protective coating or something that looks like it's kind of been worn off of it. So I've taken PolyWatch to it. I did 2 rounds of it. And as you can see in this clip, it's looking much better. It's definitely not perfect. There are still scratches and scuffs and stuff on it. But if I feel like it, I'll probably do a couple more rounds and get it looking even better. Worst case, I may have to actually take it to a buffer wheel a little bit to get rid of some of these deeper scratches, then come back with the PolyWatch. But if you have watches with acrylic crystals, definitely pick yourself up some PolyWatch. It's super cheap, and minor stuff it takes care of in seconds. So thanks for watching.